didn't. Don't know.
That's not funny. I want my phone back.
No, don't throw
I
it.
want my phone back.
Don't throw it.
I'm gonna throw it back. I want my phone back.
Stop.
Tell how to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Familia Diamond.
You're doing it wrong.
I always do it wrong.
It's okay. It's okay. You guys understand what we're trying to do. So today we are going to be attempting to prank the kids. It's been a long time, and you guys have been requesting it like non-stop. That you guys want us to prank them. So what better way to prank them than maybe taking away their iPhones, and not only taking away their iPhones, but giving them something that they've never ever seen before, which are these little flip phones. Yeah, you heard right. We are going to prank them, that we're gonna take away their iPhones. I am so excited to see the reaction. I cannot wait.
So before you continue, I want to say this. I'm just helping my wife. This is not my idea. It's her idea. So Tsunami, Diesel, when you guys see this video, it was your mom.
You guys know he's lying.
She's making me do this.
No, I'm just going along with him. Diamonds, who do you believe?
Who? Seriously?
Who do you believe? Come on. Babe, our
Come
diamonds
on.
know us better than that. Come on.
To be honest, I don't know what's wrong with these phones. I grew up with these phones. These were the iPhones back in the day.
I never had a flip phone. So, does that mean I'm younger than you? Alrighty, let's just go on with this video.
Yes,
So,
let's continue.
let's continue. So for those of you that do not know, we are having a black iPhone 11 giveaway. So we're going to be announcing the winner next weekend. So if you guys would want to win this iPhone 11, make sure you guys share this channel with your friends, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, as well as, well, with your finger. You don't want to get hurt. The finger.
Smash that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Come on.
Alrighty guys, so the kids are in the room. We're gonna hide the camera in our room, and we're just gonna call them in and let them know that it's time that they made a switch from iPhones to flip phones. Ready to see the reaction?
Yep, I am ready.
Let's go! And so we just installed this one, put the battery in, it's charging, and we are about to do the second phone. So we're going to hide the camera, and once this one is fully charged, we're gonna call them in. Are you
Alright.
ready?
I am ready.
Let's do it!
It's ready. I'm just gonna try to call this.
Okay, it's good.
Good?
Don't move it, don't move it.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, you ready? Here, you give it to them. Hide them behind your back.
Why me?
You're the one with the
Why
idea.
do I have to be the bad guy all the time?
Sudiso!
I don't know what to do.
Just say.
Look casual, look casual. Look not guilty.
Full casual. Casual would be no shoes on. So, hi.
Hey.
On your phone, like usual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up?
So, your dad and me have some news. Diesel, come.
Just wanted to say hi.
No. Stop lying. Where's your phone?
Oh, I don't have it.
What? That's a miracle. You don't have your phone.
You don't have your phone? With you?
Well, you always have your phone. She's like the number one on her phone. She literally came in something.
I know.
TikTok, Snapchat.
I know.
See, this is what I'm telling you. This is exactly what I've been telling you about her. Diesel, can you bring me your phone, please?
Yes.
So, you know, that's a problem. When you come in the door Snapchatting, that's an issue right there. I'm telling you, she literally is on her phone. And no, and the thing is that I told her she could only be on her phone for 1 hour. How are you on your phone all day and yet have still that 1 hour? How do you do it?
I have 5 minutes
she has a timer. But I literally see her on her phone all
Yeah,
day.
me too.
So do you do like 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the afternoon? How does that work? Yes?
Yeah.
That's what you do?
So we,
Yeah, this is, we have some news for you.
where's this one?
Diesel!
Yeah. But
Okay.
Okay, so
yes.
can I have your phone, please?
Why?
We have a surprise for you guys.
No, I don't want the iPhone 11. I already told you.
Wow. The iPhone 11?
It's a good surprise for you guys. Trust me. You're gonna love it, and
Yeah, I guess.
it's a good for you guys.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this here,
Yeah.
right there. So.
Your dad and me have been talking,
Mhm.
and we think it's time that you guys experience what we experienced
Yeah.
growing up. And it wasn't iPhones. We've never had iPhones
Ugh!
until now.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Stop.
That way you're gonna learn social skills.
Yeah.
By not having this
I've
You got-
Snapchat.
Just show it to them.
already.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Blankly.
Okay,
just
Sue,
get on
you
with
can have
it.
right there.
Close your eyes. Close your
Close your
eyes. Close your eyes.
How?
Close your eyes. Just
Estira las
close.
manos. Estira las manos. No, estíralas así. Grab this. This is you. Grab this.
Wait, I'll do one. Oh, okay.
Is
It's
this
okay.
a wallet?
Feel it.
Okay.
Feel it.
Feel it. Don't open your eyes yet.
But if it's a wallet, it feels
It's
like,
an early Christmas
Never-
present.
Yeah.
or like,
Okay, just open your eyes.
Thank us later.
is this a wallet?
Or thank us right now.
What
It's
the
okay.
heck
Is this a wallet? Did
What
you
is
say
this?
is this a wallet?
Yeah, but it's on the bottom. It feels like a wallet. Matt, so what is, why is the whole why is it on the side? What?
Okay, let me talk to you.
What?
Let me tell you guys what's happening.
What?
We are replacing this. You see, it talks to you.
Just open it. So this is your new phone.
Yeah.
So we've decided.
What? While you prepare your phone.
That's your new phone.
Those are your new phones.
This is your
But
new
they're
phone.
flip phones.
Yes. So
So say kiss goodbye. Mwah, mwah.
that's you. That was the wrong phone.
What?
That was the wrong phone.
Wait.
That was the wrong-
Oh, okay.
Mom!
Mwah.
No, we're
Say
serious.
kiss
No,
goodbye
it's
to
not
your
We're,
phone.
we're dead serious.
No.
We're dead serious.
What?
Oh yeah, that's your new phone.
Okay. Why isn't it working?
Your dad and me have decided that it's time that you guys
Mama,
experience.
why isn't it working? How do you do this?
It's well, that's because
That's
you
not
have to turn it
touchscreen.
on.
Snapchat.
That's not a touch screen. You don't touch the screen.
You
These are
touch
the
the
buttons.
button.
Okay, where are the apps? Where's
Oh my
There's
God.
no
where's
apps.
Snapchat? Where's Instagram? Where's YouTube?
So
There's nothing. Like
there's nothing like that in these phones.
you can
Ah!
you can text.
Mom!
You can text.
Yeah,
I can't FaceTime. Mom, this is a
No.
flip phone.
but you can take pictures.
Oh my God, you guys
I
are
mean-
being-
How?
Quality is not as good as the iPhone, but
you want a Snapchat?
Ah!
Diesel.
Wait, the quality sucks.
it does. It
It's
does.
setting up. So
I'm
you
telling you, don't touch the screen.
please
There's the
wait while we
buttons.
prepare your phone. So just wait. What do you?
You wanna
you
see
okay
the
with it?
picture?
How?
Oh.
Never mind.
He's okay with it.
You good?
Mama, look at the quality. No,
Oh,
that's
God.
not funny.
Oh God.
That's not funny.
No, we're Sue.
Where you going?
Sue. Go get her.
So
Well,
Mom.
how much was this?
I don't know, like $15. This is gonna be your new phone from now. These you're taking it like a champ. Thank you. You're always watching gaming videos.
Ah.
So from now on, you just don't. He is so confused.
You good?
You know what? This is okay.
Yeah, that's right. That's the spirit. There you go. High five.
I
Ah,
can't
that's
take
right.
selfies.
That's what are you doing? That's
She's trying.
Ah! You know
we
what?
did it. We so did it. That's the old way. We used to do it like that. What are you
Guys.
doing? Don't know. Don't
That's
throw
not funny. I want my phone back.
it. No, don't throw
I
it.
want my phone back.
Don't throw
I'm
it.
gonna throw it, but I want my phone
Sue,
back.
stop. Don't throw it. That was $15.
Since when?
Since like the very beginning.
This thing fell since the beginning.
There's cancel. I pressed it.
Okay, so is that why you were so chill about it? Because you knew we were pranking you?
Well, at the end I did. I'm not gonna lie.
This is such a fail, man.
Wait.
Guys!
Now,
Seriously,
I
what?
like it. How do you do
is a prank on us?
No,
that it?
It's prank gone wrong. Seriously, why? Guys! Hello?
They like it.
I mean, it's not.
They're trying to figure out how.
Oh, you guys are really liking it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what?
It's nothing.
Now.
I have an idea.
But the best thing, babe, watch. Look at this. Seriously.
Wait, what? I didn't get to see that. You gotta do it over here by the floor. Ooh.
They're
Wait, can you
unstoppable.
throw it from the roof down?
Yeah, it will survive. I'm
Okay,
telling
don't.
you.
She wants it.
She wants it.
Wait, so that's why you wanted to throw it? Because you knew that you weren't gonna throw it, or what?
Yes. I knew that there was a camera, guys. I wouldn't throw a phone. Come on.
Aww. You know what we should do, babe? Having the kids do 24 hours with a flip phone.
Oh, that'd be so
Even
fun.
better.
She's actually so excited. This is a prank gone wrong.
Let me figure out how to text. How do you? Right here. You don't have
It
to
showed.
open it.
You see? These are better than the iPhones.
They are so excited about the flip phone.
How do you text?
You
So
can
you-
text me.
So you have to press the buttons like 3 times.
In emergencies,
Wow.
if I get lost, I can just.
Message.
Bam.
This is your message button.
They are so excited about their flip
Then-
phones. I'm so proud of my kids,
Accept.
Oh.
guys.
Accept here.
Babe, now you can really get rid of the iPhones.
Yeah.
They're seriously still
They-
trying to figure
they
it
actually
out.
Trying to get the number. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take a photo of you. It's not
Aww.
letting me. Yeah.
Prank gone wrong on us. That's the only bad thing, guys. But
Look.
That came out very bad. Wait. Again.
wow, guys.
Smile.
I cannot believe this. Those phones cost $15.
Yeah, and they're having like the best time ever.
Okay, my turn.
So if you guys want to see it 24 hours, the kids just
Wait.
being on their flip phones, let us know and give this video a big thumbs up, and then we will do it because they seem like they're having a blast.
Yeah. $15.
Oh wait, you're
That's right.
still loading.
They
So
saw the
prank is on
camera.
us?
See, you didn't hide it right. That's your fault.
No, I did.
That's
Just
your
the thing
fault.
fell.
They saw the
Wait,
camera.
Is this the
Yeah,
charger?
because this thing fell.
Maybe.
But that's your fault because you didn't
How do you?
Sorry.
This maybe. Wait.
Alrighty, well, prank is on us. Shout outs coming up next.
Ready?
Prank fail.
Smile.
Prank on us.
Fell.
Hey, the kids are liking their phones, so I'm happy.
Look at
I
that.
love it.
I love it.
Seriously, look at that. He said I love.
Yeah, they did.
I like it.
Okay, shout outs coming up next.
Why is it still talking? Alright, got it. Alright, guys, and the first shout out goes to Chanel Portillo. Second shout out goes to Gabby 18. I'm trying to go to menu, but it doesn't work. Oh, how did you do that?
Just put clear, CLR.
But on here,
Wow.
if you put clear, you go to the main menu.
Yeah, because you get to program what you want these buttons to
It's
do.
not letting me go to photo.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to. This is just a
Oh,
little
wait, wait,
behind
I
the
got it.
scenes.
I got it, I
Oh,
got it.
you got the photo.
Yeah, so this is, look at my wallpaper.
They're loving. Ooh,
Yeah, and I'm actually doing it here. Let me do it.
they're loving their phones, guys.
So, this is awesome.
They're so excited about their phones. I am so happy.
Okay.
And then I tell her, look into my eyes and never let it